Can freezer-burned chicken still be cooked and consumed safely?
Hello and welcome to another episode of our Cooking Safety series. In today's discussion, we'll focus on a question many of you have been asking. Can you cook and consume freezer-burnt chicken safely? Let's dive in and find out.
What is freezer burn?
Freezer burn is a condition that happens when your food has been damaged by dehydration and oxidation due to air reaching it in the freezer. It's often recognized by a change in color, usually to a dull gray or brown, and may include a dry or leathery texture. It is important to note that freezer burn does not make food unsafe. It merely affects the quality of the food in terms of taste and texture.
Is freezer-burnt chicken safe to eat?
Now that we understand what freezer burn is, we can tackle the heart of the question. Is freezer-burnt chicken safe to eat? The answer is yes, it is safe to eat. As we previously mentioned, freezer burn does not make food unsafe to eat. It's an issue of quality, not safety. Therefore, you can still cook and consume freezer-burnt chicken without worrying about food safety. However, you might not enjoy the taste and texture of it as much.
How to cook freezer-burnt chicken?
If you decide to cook your freezer-burnt chicken, consider using methods or recipes that add moisture back into the chicken. This could include slow cooking, using marinades, or incorporating the chicken into soups or stews. It's best to avoid high-heat, dry cooking methods like grilling or broiling, which can worsen the dry and tough texture of freezer-burnt chicken. So there we have it. Your freezer-burnt chicken can indeed be cooked and consumed safely. However, the quality of your meal might not be as high due to the effects of the freezer burn. Remember to store your chicken properly to avoid freezer burn in the future. Hope this episode was helpful and has answered your questions about freezer-burnt chicken. Until next time, stay safe in your kitchen explorations.